Alright guys, good morning. Nandito naman tayo sa pwesto natin guys. Ngayon medyo high tide. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan. Enjoy ka na dyan. Kapajiri, din dito guys. Notice ako guys, that's my new video I'm loading this morning. That's what I'm catching a pantano. I don't know, like $15 per pound. Catching today, but at least you know already what kind of catching or any kind of fish I catch in this place. But this time like high tide is coming 1 o'clock going low tide guys, right? But like native fish to bite my bread. Okay lang guys, try natin guys, let's go. Cause see, look my bucket. Wala tayong isda ngayon guys. Ayun o. Ayan. Kaya sige lang. Magtiyaga lang tayo guys. Tsaka at least mayroon tayong activities sa akin na pagpipising dito guys. Yung tinapay natin guys, yung technique natin, mukhang may mga hangkod o sayuri na kumakain sa tinapin natin na guys, pero habang wala pang maputing kumakain yan guys, don't throw your bread was like nothing, right? If you nothing that one, you moving another place, you find where the fish is staying that water, right? If nothing there, you can moving little bit, because I hiding the I shield the pantry. It was very hot guys. This time now, see, I see the big one. There's coming. Alright, continue natin guys. At least mag-umpisa na tayo. Alright, maybe the smell it. Alright, let's go Papa Joy. I love you guys. God bless everybody guys. Pero naman guys, may laban naman tayo guys. Kita nyo, indun. Laki naman guys. Si ano naman? Oh come on. Yung malaka, hindi, yung $15 na per pound sa dito naman kumakagat guys. Wow, sus, grabe. Pag ito talaga, pag kumagat guys, laban talaga. Ayun ayun. Oh, yun, nakuha natin guys. Sipang panulit guys. Pero nasa tiyan lang natin, nasabitan natin sa tiyan lang yata. Yan guys Kaya yes, kunin ko muna, siguruduhin ko na kasi nadala natin sa tiyan, sa pilikpik lang. Right? Ang laki Ang laki ng cellphone natin guys. Alright. Up. Guys, ito na guys ang inakukuha natin ngayon guys. Ang mga malakapas nga tamtaman ang laki guys. Ayan na. Uy, maputi naman sa guys. Kasi honest to goodness guys, yung rod ko guys nasira. Nasira to guys. Yan. Nasira ang dulo. Natanggal ang pinya. Kaya ang gawin ko nito, pag uwi ko, pagtiyagaan ko muna to guys. At least mayroon tayong kuha kahit paano. Ayan guys at least paano may kuha tayo guys. Utius natin guys. Guys, this is the Kojimaru Japanese boot between Saipan and Tinian. See? Ayan guys napakalaki yan guys. Kojimaru drop the car Saipan, right between Tinian and Saipan. Mr. B, yan, nagatid ang sasakyan niya dito. Alright. Continuous tayo guys. We almost go home. May rod and reel broken. Alright guys, let's go. Time to go home. But a lot of swimmer in the pantalan today guys. See, tignan natin yung pantalan. Kung marami naliligo. Ayun oh. By the way guys, yung huli naman natin guys, kaya dahil nasira yung rod natin dyan, ito nasira guys, kaya pinagtsatsagaan ko lang. At least mayroon, kahit paano mayroon tayong huli naman oh. Yan yung huli natin guys, so okay na din yan. Alright, wala tayong maputi ngayon, iisa. Alright, kahit konti lang video natin, at least mayroon tayong video ngayon, may activities tayong araw na to. Alright, let's go lang guys, tomorrow again. Continuous natin to, kung ano pang mahuli natin. So dito lang ako guys, kasi walking distance lang sa bahay ko. Very close to my house, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Alright, let's go. Silby, shout out dyan. Mar, enjoy ka lang dyan Mar. Double ingat lang dyan. Alright, shout out sa lahat sa vlogger, maraming salamat sa lahat. God bless you guys, I love you guys, and I love you mama. God bless all guys. See you soon, another video guys. At least mayroon naman tayong video ngayon sa araw na ito. Alright, this question lang. Time to go home to eat my fries, fish. Right? Kung gusto nyo guys, come this place and enjoy fishing with Papa Jer guys. Alright, let's go.